Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I am also joined by Shri Nikhil Desai and Shri Prasad Lulhekar, the nodal officers for North and South District in terms of admissions and monitoring of patients into the 21 private hospitals that have been requisitioned.
The system is that you are aware that there is a helpline number 249 45 45 which is operational 24/7, which only gives the information on bed availability. Now what we are also scaling it up, and anybody who wants to get admitted can call up this number and place his request. Whether the bed is available, that position will be informed to him or her. Thereafter, the call center executives will ascertain the actual current time position from the staff who are assigned on duties at this hospital. That we will be doing internally. The caller will be again intimated if there is a bed in a particular hospital, wherein then he will be asked to proceed to that hospital.
Black fungus, which is one of the rare complications in COVID patients. So coming back on its update, we have not got any more cases. After I told you that we had 6 cases of black fungus. Of these 6 cases, one patient expired basically because his CT severity score was 24. So we are not attributing his death to the black fungus. It is an incidental finding because his COVID score was also very severe.